Ang nakakalikot, started in 1940 when they were sitting on their land and putting concentration camps. Eventually, regional pieces were struck up by serious tribal leaders, including Michael Pesticide and Now, I'm going to make you plan something. So, I'm pretty excited. I'm going to go with a guy named the Hunter, and he lived out in the wilderness most of his life in a place called the Painted Desert, because of all the beautiful colours of the rock, stuff like that, and the sun comes down. And in the morning, when I wake up really early, and I've got this crazy way of catching rabbits, and rabbits is like a big deal out here. And I think also get a feeling for, how I used to hunt and gather their food, which is kind of what it's all about. By the time I run, it's black and absolutely freezing. So I'm told that in daylight you can't move the rabbits out here. Then Pesticide and his wife May are putting out an old spot desert that James grew up in over 60 years ago.
You're welcome to sit down and take here. I get prepared some too. And
What is it? Peace.
Yeah.
Right? Peace. That's cool. Well, thank you very much. Yeah, Mark, I'm very excited to stay home with you tomorrow. Yeah. James grew up living on the land. I started working for the United Business Project and I started traveling out into the snow country. Things started changing. The people started carrying groceries, goods that were catered to tourism for tourists. So everything became more expensive. And now we started eating these things. One of the things that I lived on was Vienna sausage, hot dogs, bologna, and I knew it was going 100 sons and 100 to eating bologna and hot dogs. Is that personally affected us? Or do you have 3 lifetimes? You have crystal lifetimes. And I'm on my third patient. Even there, wow. I used to be a hunter, so it was an uncle to come into sort of fast food and the hot dogs, all that sort of stuff. And the bread in that, in fact, you never know good, you never know where I like that. If you want to get rebalanced, body warmer and wow. I'll give you something for what you started and separate from other people. We've got a fan outside, you've got that space as well. That's the opportunity of I'm making this into real world, really, or my real world. And it's kind of uncomfortable to get. You get a bit nervous because I'm the worst in the cafe, and I don't know how to question the spot, go back again. And that's really. I first we get to my feet. I'm going to make my study, especially the old school California Museum, a long signature with time working at the end. And then on the field, stick into the whole act of the rabbit. Once it's cut the ear, you push it, and then the hair gets cut first, then the skin, you roll up the skin, and then you pull the whole rabbit out. Alive. What do you got to do that? 500 will close the door rock. Maybe over there. Large tractors. Perhaps I will never hear. No way. What do you think you're on? You got to take it. You're going to buy another thing. You got to buy another. You already did. Oh, you got some? Yeah. Oh, you've got it. Yeah, thanks for it. You could have told me that 2 hours ago. Yeah. So we'll put that tonight and we'll have an answer or not. With one of Freddie's races in the weekend, I'm going to skip the last of my new friends. I've been with a bit of a dog that I've found off, or maybe a little flower that I've found off. But what they do is make a kind of Saturday. So, splash again, in the bowl, with 2 tablespoons of flour and salt. I'm presuming they want to stick it on the stick. Now, what do you reckon, darling? That's good enough? Next, cover the coated rabbit in the pan for about 5 minutes. Sorry, do you mind just looking after that meat next to get it nice and golden, brother? I'm glad I said it there. Yeah, Freddie, you put it in there for me, brother. I was on Freddie. You know me, you were Freddie. Freddie couldn't have it. No, he's got a wrap, he's got a cover. Then after you frozen vegetables, I'm using hands for the chopped onions, celery, and thyme. Wrapping up that, it's so hot. Consistent, the Navajo is to be 4 tablespoons of corn. So this time again, I'm going to go back with the rubber. One of these. Finally, cover it with about half a litre of stock. Keep it on the vegetable. So I'm going to put that with a lid, just a jar, for about 2 hours, right? Or just keep it touching the meat. The minute the meat starts putting on the bone, you know that it's a beautiful time. I'm going to make it done. Again, I'm going to put it down cornmeal, flour. That seems to be the way I do it. So here's the thing. Right, my instinct would be to go on something like in England, like that. Now, this is not called for Navajo, is it?
What you are asking around because in other lessons, people were doing around something that are disrespectful to the rain or the hail, the weather. So one day, they sit back and it hailed, and a lot of the people that sit that were stoned by the hail.
What was that?
After that, we never did.
Well, that's something around that.
No.
If I'm going to do around something, we'll do it. No. Really? Yeah. Oh, no, I don't say that. They don't really want the whole time. Anyway, you're on this little time. Get a phone for the stone. No? How do you get around my gun? And you do this. Let's just get it a lot of time. What now? When they came, they took the prime land and drew lines towards Indians. Don't step over this line. So we and that's trespass. So really, you just got put that with land. Yes.